Okay.
A while back, I got a DM on Instagram from this guy. His name's Brad Thompson from the YouTube channel Impact Props. Brad explained to me that he was about to spend the next 6 weeks creating a Bo-Katan helmet from the show Mandalorian, and would I be interested in driving all the way up to North Texas, bring the slow-mo camera, and coming up with some sort of way to destroy it? I mean, yeah.
So here's the plan. We got a nice bottle here. We're going to take all these solid explosives apart, put them in here, we're gonna fuse it. Bada bing.
So our idea was to use solid explosive to blow up the helmet. We decided to try something we actually hadn't ever done before. We were gonna use a leaf fuse, and if you don't know what that is, take a pile of leaves, not pine straw. You rake the leaves into a long line like this, and you coat that line in gasoline, and you've got a fuse. All right, this is a leaf fuse test 1. If this doesn't work, then I'm just gonna have to go home, right?
Everything's riding on you.
I'm keeping you from paint.
Alright, ready? Whoa!
That's terrifying!
Okay, water hose.
Oh, that's the thumbnail, man.
Fuse starts here, moves around, does a nice horseshoe on Brad's recommendation, coming around this way to the back of the helmet, and that's where the magic's gonna happen. The thing that makes all this work is surface area. Gasoline liquid doesn't really burn. Gasoline vapor is what you see when gas is on fire. By sprinkling across the leaves like this, you're creating an opportunity for a lot of surface area, hopefully to make this fuse run really fast. And I think this is the first time this has ever been filmed in slow motion on YouTube, so win-win. Yeah, so we're filling up a balloon with some gas.
Not gas, but flammable vapor. That's what it should be.
This is a technique I learned from Potato Jet.
Okay.
He taught me this in his kitchen.
You gotta say that again with the holes in the thermite. And the holes in the... Yep, same. My heart's beating a little faster than I thought it would. I'm a little nervous about this. This being our very first time doing this. What do you think?
If this goes well, do you invite me back?
Yes. Can you promise me that you're not gonna maim us today?
No, I can't promise.
What?
Lid on thick.
That's a lot of gas, Steven.
Yes.
Dude, that's a lot of gas. I hope you're feeling the way I'm feeling. Let's make this happen.
6 weeks of work until like 2 seconds of boom.
Recording.
Oh, good. Is it
You guys ready?
All right, we good?
Ready! Here we go! Holy crap!
Hey, get the camera, get the camera!
We're good. Wow. We're live! Did anybody get hit?
Did you?
No? Thank God. It went right by me though. Woo!
Dude, excellent. Wave at me. We got shrapnel this far.
On the ground, like it may be stuck in a tree.
This is a side piece for sure.
Oh, dude. Brad had his GoPro 2 feet away.
Oh yeah, right next to it.
Brad, where's your GoPro?
Our first casualty.
Oh my God. Rest in peace. Dude.
Can we look and see and slow it down? Do you know how to do that?
Oh, I'm so excited.
It's so good. It's so good, dude.
Dude, thank you for the invite.
Yes.
Anytime you want to blow something up, give me a call.
Oh, of course, man. It's gonna happen.